Okay, everyone. Hope everyone's having a good day. I got a little setup here so he don't jump out. I'm in front of Walmart. I did a video, but I couldn't help myself. I take Jake back in. Jake, stop. He's going to try to jump ship, but I got some kind of thing set up here where I got him tied in pretty good. Just a gorgeous day out here. I said, you know what, let me take him in real quick. Just did a video on the watches. Anyone wants to see it, check it out. Beautiful G-Shock in there. Came across multiple different colors it comes in. That particular model, 400, something 400. He's going to try to jump, but I got him pretty tied down. If I can get in there. All right. Sorry about the filming. Let me just get him in there. Jake coming in Walmart. Second time filming in Walmart with him. Stop. Stop, Jake. I'm just going to make a quick video so I don't get him nervous. He's going to start looking at everyone.
Sorry, kiddo. You could have baked it so hard.
Jake's in the house. Just was here looking at the UFC. They reloaded, restocked them because people were buying them. Right, Jake? People were buying them. So they restocked them. Timex UFC. All right. All right. Listen, no jumping ship today. No jumping ship. Take a quick walk over to the watches. No jumping ship. This is the watch I was talking about. That blue with the black G-Shock. Fantastic watch. They're all fantastic. Someone said they're overpriced. Yeah, I agree with you. Some of them are overpriced G-Shocks. But some of them are well worth it. You're still getting a lot of watch for like sub 100 or $100. Unbeatable quality. You know, that's what you're paying for. Good boy, Jake. Good boy. Good boy. He's catching on. It's just that I got to make sure you don't jump ship here. So, yeah, basically that's what was here. I'll just move along with him. It's going to be not as long as a video because it's hard to film with him, especially holding the camera. But giving you an idea what's going on in the store.
Hello, puppy.
Hey. Good boy, Jake. Good boy. So, yeah, I'm just checking out things. See if I can maneuver out of here. I don't want to interfere with anybody. A lot of people coming in the store. You got to turn left to get out. Busy day, Monday morning.
Sorry.
That's all right. Jake's in the house. Trying to get out of here. We're getting out. Everybody have a great day. Jake's enjoying his time out. Walmart visit. Wish it was a little longer, but it's hard maneuvering the cart with him.
My dog never fit.
Oh, no? Want to say hello?
Well, here. I'll
That's
drive
Jake.
Jake, I'll drive Dobbs nuts when I get
He's
home.
only
Yes,
4
I
months.
will.
He's only 4 months.
What is he?
Mountain Cur dog. Very, very good dog breed.
Mine's a German short-haired pointer.
Oh, yeah, great breed. Oh,
Well, he
they
was-
look like them.
Yes, that's why I...
Yeah, no, this looks like them, but
You're a
they're a
sweetheart.
little different. He's
My
only
son
a puppy.
has the father, and he bred it and got the daughter, and he bred it and got the boy.
Beautiful.
And he bred it, and I said, don't bring another one home.
Oh, God.
And then I got the last one because he couldn't find a place to live with 3 dogs.
Oh, wow.
So now I have a baby just like you. Oh, he's going to be all over me. I'll lay on the floor and let him sniff me.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
You too. Have a
Beautiful
fantastic
dog.
day. Thank you. See that, Jake? You met a new friend. Everyone, I'm at Walmart with Jake. Peace out, everyone.